You're more likely to get struck by lightning, win the lottery, and have identical quadruplets than you are to create a perfect March Madness bracket, if you decide randomly. But obviously, the 9 quintillion possible brackets are not equally likely. If they were, you'd have a 50% chance of guessing each game correctly. But of course, we expect the higher seed team to win each game, which is why most people who know what they're doing create brackets with few upsets. But what are the actual chances that the higher seed team always wins? Now, a professional would carefully weigh the strengths and weaknesses of each team, but I'm a math scholar, not a sports baller, so I'm going to use historical data that I found on Wikipedia. Here we have the proportion of times that the higher seed team won in each game of round 1. Using these samples as an estimate for the probabilities, we get a 7.3% chance of no upsets in the first round of a given division. But wait, it gets much worse. Here are the probabilities in round 2, and the Sweet 16, and the Elite 8. So that gives a 0.3% chance of a perfect higher seed bracket for one division. But there are 4 divisions, so we need this number times itself 4 times, which gives us a 0.000000097% chance of all top seeds winning. But that doesn't include the final 4. Assuming an equal matchup in the last 3 games, that gives a 1 in 100 billion chance of guessing all games correctly. But hey, that's still 100 million times more likely than choosing a random bracket. Or you could just be like me and choose the schools with the best mascots.